Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access calendar by tapping on it and pick a date. When you're ready, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, and over here customize your event however you wish to. For example, add a title, pick starting hour or ending one. You can also disable this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. Over here you can set up location. Oh, so sorry, misclick. Set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. Take notes, invite people, and even change color. When you're ready, choose save over here, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can always tap on it, choose edit icon over here, make your changes and tap on save one more time. You can also delete it by tapping on it, but this time selecting this delete icon at the bottom right corner of event pop-up and tap on move to recycle bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!